Monday.com versus Asana. Which is better? Hey guys, welcome back. Are you looking for tools that can help you set goals, manage workflows, track your or your team's progress? Well, in this video, I will tell you exactly how you can do that with tools like Monday and Asana. You can achieve goals like maintaining productivity and a seamless workflow with these tools. By the end of this video, hopefully you can decide which tool fits you just right. Now you can click the link in the description for a free sign up with a free account. If you're serious about project management, however, and you would like to use Monday.com with its best features, I would recommend that you upgrade to a premium plan. Now, what exact purpose do platforms or workspaces like Monday.com and Asana offer you? Well, there is a lot of value having a project management tool like Asana or Monday. Freelancers, small business owners, big organizations, all of these three have one thing in common. They have a need for a seamless workflow system. They need to be able to set goals, track progress of team members, manage projects, and automate their workflow. So whether you're working on a larger scale or a personal scale, you need something that helps you keep organized. Now, both of these tools are pretty similar, and they do have some key differences as well. But first, we need to discuss their pricing because that can be a determining factor for some people. Now, depending on the size of your business, a free plan just might work for you. Monday's free plan is suitable for up to 2 members. At the $0 price point, which is their free plan, the individual plan includes up to 3 boards, unlimited docs, over 200 templates, 8 column types, as well as iOS and Android applications. Monday's paid plan offers more features at a lower cost than Asana's paid plan, starting at $8 per user per month. Now, however, with Asana's free plan, it allows 15 users for free. You can include unlimited tasks, projects, messages, activity logs, and file storage of 100 MB per file. You can also collaborate with up to 15 members and more on the free plan on Asana. In terms of pricing, both of these platforms are offering budget-friendly plans with comprehensive features. The user experience on both tools is vastly different. The reason for this is because Asana is simpler and Monday is more visually oriented. However, some of their commonalities include things such as list views, board views, timeline views, calendar views, and their basic workflows. All of these things are pretty similar. So if we take a look at the list view on Monday.com, this is their visual view. Then on Asana, this is the visual list view. If I click on the board view, this is what the board view on Asana looks like so. Now this is the board view on Asana, and if I open the same thing on Monday.com, you guys can see it's pretty similar. Their timeline, calendar, and workflows also look pretty similar. However, Asana's general interface, if you take a look at it, is a lot simpler and less overwhelming. So Asana is more suitable for people working at an individual level. However, Monday.com is more suitable for organizations with more complex projects or workflows. The overall user experience on Monday is usually more enjoyable and visually pleasing because of how visually oriented all of their templates, all of their interfaces are. Now, all of Monday's plans come with more storage than what Asana offers you in terms of pricing, and if your projects are large, Monday will be the best tool for you. Both tools offer extensive integrations for you to connect with your favorite tools, but in terms of workflow automations, at the Monday.com Pro plan, which starts at $16 per seat per month, you will get 25,000 automations and integrations, which basically allows you to connect unlimitedly. I really haven't found more than 100 automations that I've added in my personal workflow board. So I do think that the Pro plan really gives you everything you need. Now, in terms of Asana, their premium plan is $10.99. And they do have a workflow builder. You can set rules as well. However, there are some limitations in terms of setting up automations. And if you take a look at all of their features with their views and reporting, and you take a look at their premium plan, which is most comparable with Monday.com's plan, you have things like form branching and customization, which are things that you can do on Monday. You also don't have time tracking included, as well as formulas that you can add. However, on Monday.com, if you take a look at their Pro plan at $16 per seat, they do have formulas and any kind of automation you can add. So things such as two-factor authentication, as well as custom tags, a formula column where you can add any kind of CRM formula or financial formula that you might want to integrate, can be added over here. Now, in terms of both of these platforms offering automations on their premium plan, I do think that Monday.com provides you with the best value for your money because they're offering you a lot of automations and integrations, as well as providing you with more financially oriented features, which are going to be what you really need to automate in a lot of cases. However, Asana lets you set up rules on the workflow builder to automate certain processes. Although this process can be a little bit confusing with Asana, with Monday.com, you can simply choose a pre-made template and customize the automation with a few clicks. So in terms of both of these tools, what exactly is the pro and the con of using each individual platform? Well, Asana's free plan is more suitable for small business owners with multiple team members and for personal use. So if you take a look at the list view, you can easily categorize your own day-to-day fields. If you have simple daily activities in your small business, then you can add all of your team members directly onto your Asana board and work from here. However, Monday.com is more suitable for complex project requirements and workflows. Monday is a lot more user-friendly. It helps users learn how to use their advanced features, and if you take a look at their columns, you can really customize it however you like. You can add more checkboxes, priorities, labels, timelines, as well as people, connecting boards into individual tasks, as well as numbers, date, drop down, and more. This allows you to be able to manage complicated tasks directly on Monday.com. And depending on what you are using Monday.com for, you can really customize it to fit your needs and requirements. With Asana's cleaner look, you really can't add that kind of customization within your individual level. Now, in terms of what I love about both of these platforms, for Monday.com, the interface, the CRM, and the templates are really what makes it top tier. Using Monday.com can really keep you motivated to work, as well as using pre-made templates to set up my business is going to be something that is going to be super helpful for small business owners. With their automation tools and integration tools, you can also make sure your workflow is going as planned. Now, Asana is also amazing. If you're looking for something that you need for free and you're looking for a simple workflow manager where you don't have a lot of complicated tasks, but you have a lot of members present within those tasks, then Monday.com has the features for you. Now, in general, both of these platforms are great, but depending on your needs, for smaller businesses with lower complicated tasks and more members, Asana would be my pick. However, for people that are looking to do more complicated tasks and have a different workflow automation that they want to set up and have more complicated day-to-day priorities, they have lots of fields they need to enter, they have multiple different dependencies they need to add, timeline views they need to integrate into individual tasks, as well as overlapping tasks within different sections of your business, then Monday.com is going to be the better option for you. So you can get started with either of these platforms, and you can click the link provided in the description to sign up for a free account with up to 2 seats on Monday.com. However, if you are serious about project management and using Monday with its best features, I recommend that you upgrade to a paid plan. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.